JPEG image files with invalid JPEG marker. If you're using Photoshop or different image editing software and you're seeing this, in 2025, usually AI images generated through AI image generators may throw this particular problem. How do you then open those files? There's a program called GIMP. It's an open source image editing program. You can download it and install it to your local machine. Because when Photoshop won't open that file, GIMP will open it. Now, from here you can do many things with this program if you want. So I won't cover that, but just show you how you can actually save it so that Photoshop will open it. All you need to do is go to File, select Export As, new name, and you can leave the JPEG if you want. You can even save it in different formats, such as PNG if you want. But let's leave it as JPEG. Let's export, and let's select Export. Now we can open up with Photoshop. So if you're seeing JPEG marker type issues on your image editing software, this is how you can quickly and easily fix that problem. I thank you for learning with Renkia, and if you benefited from this video session, please do give it a like and share it, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.